All right, Chris, we got another question tonight. Under public trust and criticism of law enforcement, how would you, as an agency, respond to criticism from members of the community, say like on Facebook or whatever have you?
Listen to them. I mean, that's the people that we're serving. Um, that's they have concerns, and you're never going to make everybody happy. That's just a fact of life. It sucks. I wish we could, but unfortunately, it won't happen. But just as much as we love to listen to people sing our praises when we do a good job, we need to listen when people gripe and complain at us. Because does it suck to get griped and complained at? Absolutely it does, because it makes you feel like you're not doing good. But sometimes are people being mean just to be mean because they don't like police? Absolutely. But sometimes are they being mean and there's some truth behind it? Absolutely. And if we're gonna, the old saying, if you can't, don't dish it if you can't take it. It kind of applies to this. If we're gonna take the good criticism, the praises, and all that when we do good, we have to be able to take the bad criticism, and if it's something that we can fix, we fix it. But we have open communication. That's back in when America was first coming up. You had the Shire Reef, which is where we get sheriff from. But it was a guy, and he had his deputies, and they were over like a small town, small area. So you knew everybody, and you had public, or you were constantly communicating with the people in your community and walking around, and the whole thing with constables and stuff walking the foot beat through old cities and stuff. And then we started putting police in cars, and you got the window, the separation. You're driving around. You're not, getting out of the car and interacting as much. So there's become a great disconnect where law enforcement feels almost untouchable, inhuman, more robotic than personable. And so by listening to their criticism, and because ultimately we're there for them, so by listening to their criticism, and if it's something we can fix or expound upon and make better, that's what we got to do.
Okay.